Hey guys, this is Sardar. This is my brother Sultan. Hi. And today we're gonna learn animals. Let's get started. Well, these are the animals. If you don't know, I'm gonna teach you. You guys don't know? Oh yeah, you don't know. I'm gonna teach you them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. It was 25. I'll find out what animal they are. You know what this is? You don't know? That's a hippopotamus. It's a tiger. No, it's a lion. A lion. He's a lion, and he's the king of the jungle. Yeah, he's king of the jungle. And what is this? You guys don't know? No, this is a dog in there. You know? This is a dog. This is a dog on the pot. Yes. He's on the cupcake on this. Yeah, the cupcake on him. And then he don't know. He's too big. No, what is this? This is a panda. Panda. And he's good. And what is this? This is, you know what is this? You don't know? Okay, this is a fish, and he lives underwater. If you let them go away, they will die. And this is a toad. He lives on the water too. He does like that flap, 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 flap. He go very slow. Yeah. Really slow. And what is this? This is a monkey, and he know how to climb. This is a frog. A frog. And he lives on the water, and he'll go on the leaves, and they hop. Yeah, and what is this? A cow. This is a cow. And what is this? You don't know, guys? This is a penguin. Yes, he flops like this. And he goes on the water. And what is this wild tiger? This is a wild tiger. Yeah, he's so angry. And also the lion is angry. And this is a cat, guys. This is a cat. Meow. Scratch. He scratch and he drink milk. He eat cat food. My turn. This is a pig. He make a sound like. This is a whale, guys. What's this, guys? You don't know. This is a whale. Wait. He lives on the water. This is an alligator. He go on the water. And the alligator, you better don't open the alligator door, or else they bite you. And what is this? This is a hedgehog. Hedgehog, he rolls like this, rolling, and he goes faster. Whoa! Yes. Put it next to the alligator. And this is a unicorn. He's a good animal, and he has red hair and colorful. Yeah, that's very cool. He lives to the farm because he said oink, and he lives on the wall. He lives on the mud. He said, I'm in the mud and I'm cha-cha. That is good. This is an oxford guy. And he lives on the water and do like this. And he lives like this and gets someone and say, and you know what this is? No, you don't know? This is the hamster. He exercise, run like this into the rolling, and that's why. What's this guy? I know what this is. A koala. Koala, guys. And my turn. You don't know what this is? Long neck. He eats leaves. And what's this guy? That's the guy. Hey Sultan. This is dolphin guy. He lives on the water. And he jumps and do like this and makes so much splash. Like, don't. Definitely the big one. This is rabbit. Because he get some chocolate. Rabbit, he gets some eggs and put it like a prize egg and go back and hide. And he jumps on, boing. And this is a horse. He goes, yay! And he jumps really fast and also slow. Now you know the animals. We hope you like my videos. And that like button and keep watching. Bye. Bye. Like my videos. Like my videos. See you.